The features that come with Tabor is really nice because some of the other builders we looked at, they don't come with all the standards. It's always upgrades. So we had the storm shelter, which I'm really surprised for Oklahoma. More builders don't do this. I actually work for a different home builder, so I kind of see the different processes. And with Tabor, it was so much easier. It was not stressful at all. I think we had a lot more fun than what we expected.
We lived about 5 minutes away from where we moved in, so we would drive by the lot. I can't even count how many times every week, but we would come by and see it, you know, step by step as it's going.
Nichols Creek is really close to Kilpatrick too, so you just hit that and you're literally anywhere in a couple minutes, so it's fantastic. My personal favorite is the jetted tub. Did not have that before. I have been saving up salts and everything exactly for moving in, so I have a ton of that. I've already used it multiple times, so that's by far my favorite. We have a couple of friends moving into Nichols Creek with us, and then in other communities too, like the same closing weekend as us, we had some friends moving in different neighborhoods as well, so we are definitely recommending Tabor.